How to generate a cPanel backup and send it to FTP Server. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. In the Files section, click on the backup icon. Click on the Download the Full Account Backup button. From the drop-down menu, select the backup destination to Remote FTP Server. In Email field, enter your email address. If you don't want to receive the notification of completion of the backup, click on the Next option button given below. Enter FTP IP address or FTP domain name such as ftp.example.com. Enter your FTP username, password and FTP port 21 or other FTP port. Enter remote directory. Once you have filled in the remote FTP details, click on the Generate Backup button. That's it, we have successfully generated the backup and sent it to the FTP server. Thank you for watching.